So we can register a new account or log in to an existing account. So now let's log in as an admin. This is an overview of our dashboard, the admin dashboard. So we can see the number of customers, the plans, campaigns sent, and also some charts, chart history. Or this forms the site statistics. So we can view all these when we log in. We can also see our customers and equally add new customers. So let's head over to the customer section. So here we are. So we can enable or disable an active customer. We also have an option to add a new customer or import customers. All right. So next on the list, we have the subscriptions. We can create new customer subscription from this tab. For example, when a user is subscribed to a particular plan, user subscribed to that plan, or we can also add a user or a customer to a new plan. So while we are having user subscription, we also need to create plans that users can subscribe to. Let's head over to the plan section and see how to create a plan, and also see how to modify the features of that plan, and also choose a sending server or add a new sending server if we want. So we are heading over to the plan section. So we wait till the page is fully loaded. All right, so this is the plan section. So we can see we can add a new plan, add new from the add new tab. We also have the actions. We can also export an existing plan. Up to we can see plans that have been created. So currently there are no plans. So what we need to do now is to let's create a new plan. So we create a new plan by clicking on the add new to add a new plan. To add a plan name, a price, the billing cycle, and the currency. So we call our plan new plan, and we give a price. In the US dollar, and these are optional. So once we're done, we hit save. Once we are done, we can now have this page where we can customize the plan features. So next we have the plan features. We can set the sending credits, the amount of sending credits, and other features that we would love to customize. So all these are based on personal preference, based on your preference. And once you're done, hit save. We also have the speed limit. You can customize this too. The sending limits. You also have the quoting system, the sending servers. So currently we don't have any sending server here. See how to include one shortly as we proceed. Lastly is the pricing. So we can set our pricing per unit or price per unit. So you can set a price that is good enough for you. All right, so the next tab is the currencies, and you can customize your currencies. And let's also see the sending tab. So from the sending, we have the sending servers and IDs, numbers, keywords, and the template tags. So let's see the sending servers. So over here we can add a new server. We can also export a new server, and currently we don't have any. So let's add a new server and see the list of options. So currently now we have about 50, I think, or 100 servers. So you can choose from any of these. All these servers has already been configured, so you can just make a choice and it will be automatically added, or you can create your own sending server. So if you have your the details from your sending server, you can just come over here and include. So all these are open fields where you can just pass in the parameters from your server. All right, so next on the tab is the sender ID. So from here you can create sender IDs for your customers as an admin. So here we have there are no sender IDs currently, so we can create a new one or have your customers create sender IDs. Okay, so moving on, we have the security tab. Also have the blacklists. So here are items or words that has been blacklisted. All right, then we also have the spam word, and we have the administrator section, so we can add administrator rules. And we also have the settings tab, where we can include update our site settings. So we can change the site title from the general information tab. We can also update the footer address and our address and the footer text, the logo. So you can customize all this to fit your business. We also have the system email, the default email. We also have the option for the authentication, and we also have our customer permissions. These are the pages you want your customers to be able to access, or what you want your customers to be able to do, so you can fit this, can customize this to fit your need. We also have the options for notifications. You can customize the notifications and hit save. Then we'll have the pusher notification. So all you need to do to be able to use pusher, you need to first of all create an account with pusher to be able to use pusher notifications. We also have cron jobs for automating our server processes. So you can enable cron jobs if you want to automate some process, but I bet you need a help for that. And then finally there we have the licenses. Update other settings as listed. Next we have reports. So here you can manage all invoices and see all SMS history. All SMS that have been sent by users, you can manage them all in the SMS history. So moving on, let's switch our view to see what a user or our customers see. So here we are in the this is a replica of the user dashboard. So we also have an overview and a statistics chart to show what's going on. So we can see our reports, all messages and the received messages, sent messages, the campaigns created. Okay, then we can also see sending servers, sender IDs that have been registered by the user. We can also see the options for SMS. So we have the campaign builder, but to be able to build a campaign, we need to be subscribed to a plan. So I don't think we'll have a plan currently. So there are no plans here. So to be able to build a campaign, we should first subscribe to a plan, the plan that the admin has created. And they also have the option for voice too. We can also build the campaign with the voice, just like we did with or we can do with the SMS. We also have the option for MMS and WhatsApp, so we can do a quick send, build a campaign, or send using a file. So users can also see the chat box option, and and the developers option in case you would love to integrate a third-party application. Users can also update their profile and manage their billing details. So quickly, let's see the profile section. So we wait till the page is fully loaded. All right, so as a user, you can update your display profile or your display picture, and once you're done, you hit save. You can also update your name and your email, and lastly, you can log out when you're done.